We're going to talk about the contract list and the ability to enter a contract here in our software. Now, our software is not going to give you the physical contracts you're used to. This is just a way to keep a digital record of your contracts, and you can easily pull them up inside our software instead of referring to a filing cabinet. So basically, you would go ahead and grab one of those contracts out of your filing cabinet and then input it here in our software so that you can just pull it up at a later date if you need to. The way this is done is, well, first let's go ahead and talk about the contract list. If you click the contract list button along the top of the software, it's going to open this up. And by default, you'll probably have some dummy data in there. You'll probably have about 8 junk ones that you did not create. They're very easy to remove. You could just right-click on the number here, right-click, and select Delete Record. The system will tell you you're about to delete. Just hit Yes. And you could just repeat that process to get all 8 out of the way. And once you're done, once you've got them all removed, you then can start working on adding your own contracts if you want to have them here within the software. So we'll go ahead and close this contract list. To add a contract, you just select the Enter a Contract button along the top of the software. And then grab your contract out of the filing cabinet. You just follow whatever's on there. You can enter the customer. We'll say we had one for Brazil. The item, you can add the contract amount if you want. You can add different types of services while in here. You can enter contract dates. Let's say that contract was on the 5th. A length in days, 20 days, and then you can also do a contract end date. You could do sales reps, equipment, and any other option in here. Just enter any information that's important. And any extra notes you want. Once you're done, just click the Close button. And the next time you click on that contract list, you're going to see that copy of that contract that you entered. You can look at it here at a quick glance to see what was on there. If you want to go in for more details, just double-click the contract number that's listed in blue. Brings you in to show you all the information. You can adjust those details at any time. And the reason why it's helpful when it's on a list is along the top of this list, you have all these drop-downs. You can sort the software by any of the things that you want in these drop-downs. And the system will basically just show you exactly what it wants. If we just want to see Brazil Food Market, select Brazil Food Market from the drop-down. Or if we want to see all customers that have specific items, we can just hit the drop-down and select one of our items. And here we go. I can see that 2 customers had contracts for this specific item. So it's just overall just a big glorified Excel spreadsheet that you can search very easily. And again, this is based upon contracts that your company is already doing or is about to do with a customer. This is just a way to store it.